Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first, just to open the screen recorder settings, we should go here into the top bar, and somewhere here find the screen recorder icon. Just after that, launch the screen, hold for a while the screen recorder icon, and we will activate the screen recorder settings. Also, we got the second way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. We should go into the settings application and scroll here to the advanced features. Here you will see the screenshots and screen recorder, and as can you see here, we got this screen recorder settings. So you just should select the way how you'll do that, and when just to change the video quality here, click here. Now we have selected the height. We can switch it to the medium and to the lowest. By this way, we can switch our video quality in some screen recorder app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.